Hello and welcome to another review video. Today we will be looking at the Innogear microphone stand boom arm.
Did somebody say boom?
We'll see how good this microphone stand is, which is only $20. So this is a microphone scissor arm stand. It comes with a windscreen and a dual layered screen pop filter. All right, let's open this up and see if this is worth getting for only 20 bucks. All right, here is our windscreen. Seems very solid. Our wrinkled up filter seems to be all right. Warranty card. Thread seal tape. All right, this does come with the adapter. So if your microphone doesn't have the 5/8 inch, it will this will be the adapter to change it to 3/8. So our microphone holder and the scissor arm holder, and of course the mounting clamp. All right, so this will simply mount on top of here and be able to adjust it as needed, and this will clamp it down to wherever we're going to clamp it down to. This adjusts here as well where the microphone goes on, so it's fully versatile. So I'll be using the Yeti Blue. So I don't know if I'll be using the windscreen or the filter. I'll probably check it out and see. I'm really impressed so far with how this sounds. I do have a review and unboxing on this product as well if you want to check that out. All right, let's see how this fits on here. Take this off the stand. All right, so this one we'll be using the adapter. Put the adapter in here. Some will need it, some won't. Just depends on what style microphone you have. And then we'll screw this on here. All right, there we go. Let's see the reach on this thing. I don't know. Let's turn it around and see how that works. All right, so this way works pretty good. So low enough. Tucks out of the way when not in use. I mean, it works. It works well. I mean, it's only 20 bucks. I mean, it doesn't feel that cheap. I haven't used a really expensive one before, but this will definitely be fine. It's very versatile. You can mount it in any direction. It'll turn any direction you need it to. It comes with the adapter for different microphones. It comes with this adapter if you use this type of microphone. So if you want to use the windscreen, it'll just mount to the bar up here, and then this will be adjustable. And if you want to use this, obviously it just slips over the microphone. All right, so overall I like it. It's cheap. It feels pretty heavy duty and does the job. It's very flexible and versatile and has the adapters for different microphones. So it's a good buy. It's 20 bucks right now. I think it also has a promotion on Amazon. You can get 5% off. So I'll take you down a couple more dollars. All right, so I'll leave a link down below to Amazon if you want to check it out for yourself. $19.99 has 5% off right now. Bring it down a couple more dollars, so it's a good deal. But thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Like and subscribe to help me out. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Yes, Spike, it's very funny. Very funny.